Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It's like today we're doing puzzle number 47. We start with this row. Looks like we're missing 2 and 3. I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 9. For this box now we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 3, 7. 1 covering this box, so that means that our 1 has to be here. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5. No help here. So 3, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering both of these, and a 5 here. So this is 2, 7, and this is 2, 5, 7. 2 and 7 here, so 5, 6. 5 and 6 here, so 2, 7. But if we look in that row, the only place our 6 can be is here. And then if we look again, the only place our 5 can be is here. And for this box, the only place the 7 can be is here, and that makes this our 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so 6, 7. 1 and 7 here, so 6, 7. 1 and 6 here, so 5, 7. 5 and 6 here, so 1, 7. But now if we look, the only place the 5 can be is here. The only place the 1 can be is here. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. No help here. 3, 4, 7. Got a 7 here, so 3, 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here and a 9 here, so that makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 9. Did I make a mistake? I think I may have. I was working on this column, right? So it was 1, 3, 5, and 9. We had the 1 and 9. So 3, 5. But with no, that 3 is not real. 1 and 5 here, so 3, 9. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 3. Then if we look, the 9 has to be here, the 1 has to be here. Actually, that 5 is real, so this is our 3. That makes this our 5. This should be 3, 7. This 3 gets rid of this 3. And this box needs 4 and 7 with no help. 4, 7. For this column, knowing that the 5 and 9 are not right, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. No. 2, 3, 4, and 7. Got a 7 here. So 2, 3, 4. I don't know if we're gonna struggle through this one, guys. We'll keep going though. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here and a 4 here. So this is our 2. 1 and 3 makes this our 4. No help here, so 1, 3, 1, 3. This 7 means this has to be our 6. 7. In this box then, we're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing, well, we can get rid of this 3. 2, 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 4, 8. 4 and 7 here, so 2, 8. 4 and 8 here, so 2, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 4. That means the only place our 1 can be is here. And if we look at, nope, that's not going to help us. Let's try this row. We're missing 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 4, 6, and 8 here, and a 7 here. So that means this is our 2. 4, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here. But the 4 and 7 have to be here, so this is our 6. So let's see if we can figure anything out now. This 1 makes this our 3, 1. That 2 there made this our 7. This 8 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 2 makes this our 3, 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 3, 2, 4. That 3 makes this our 7, 4, 7, and 3. Wow, that was quite the messy one, wasn't it? Surprised we managed to figure it out, but we got there. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.